Hey there, young learners. Welcome to our fun English lesson today. We are going to learn all about adjectives that end in ing and ed. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly when to use each one and sound like a pro in no time. So let's get started. First, let's remember what an adjective is. Adjectives are words that describe nouns and pronouns, which are people, places, or things. For example, the puppy is cute or the tree is tall. These words tell us more about something, and today we'll talk about two special types of adjectives. Let's start with adjectives that end in ing. These adjectives describe how something makes you feel. For example, that movie was exciting. The movie made me feel excited. See how we use ing when we describe something that causes the feeling? So, here are some common adjectives that end in ing. Boring. This book is so boring. Exciting. The roller coaster is exciting. Interesting. That game is interesting. Surprising. The magic trick was surprising. Now, let's talk about adjectives that end in ed. These adjectives describe how you feel after experiencing something. For example, I am excited about the party. Here, the ed adjective describes how I feel because of something happening. Here are some common adjectives that end in ed. Bored. I am bored in class today. Surprise. She was surprised by the gifts. Tired. I'm so tired after running. Excited. He's excited to see his friend. So, what's the big difference? Ing adjectives describe things that cause feelings, and ed adjectives describe how you feel after experiencing something. Let's look at some examples. The movie is boring. I am bored after watching the movie. The game is exciting. I am excited to play the game. Let's test what you have learned with a quick quiz. Fill in the blanks with adjectives ing or ed. 1. The movie was so exciting. 2. I'm feeling tired after school. 3. That science experiment was interesting. 4. I am bored right now. 5. The accident was terrifying. Awesome job! Now you know how to use adjectives ending in ing and ed. Remember, ing describes things that cause feelings, and ed describes how you feel. Keep practicing and soon you'll be an expert. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fun lessons. See you next time!